Question 18 is successfully resolved, and I'll go quickly through it. This is question 18. Now, I have a couple of methods, as you can see on the screen, and that's because I was doing it manually, and then I was doing it the smart way. So all this code right here is for my manual computations, which are done in these two methods right here altogether. Actually, the multiply binary method calls the add binary method, okay? But the method that I'm going to show you, which is the smarter solution with less code, is with this method right here, multiply bin, which starts on line 114. So these lines of code right here take input from the user, and they convert the input into a string representation of the binary number. Then lines 121 to 122, they take those string representation of the binary numbers and convert them into integer format, the binary numbers. I know it seems a little redundant, but it's smarter to do it like that. And then this line of code, line 123, multiplies the binary numbers, the integers, and then this line on 124, it takes the binary multiplication of the product and turns it into a string representing the binary number. You guys have seen that code before because I used it as a test before. Now, the three lines of code from 126 to 128 take the same operations and inverse it. So this one take the string representations of the binary numbers and turn them back into decimals. Now, at first we put binary numbers, but this one inversed the operations and turned them into numbers, and then also into the decimal representation, not just a string of the binary numbers. So completely backwards, right? And so I'm going to show you what that looks like by calling it from my test class right here. Okay, we're going to call it from the test class, and we'll see what that turns out to. Okay, so let's run it. So parsing, oh, and it is behind me. So let's see if we can make this a little smaller. And there we go. Okay, let's put the first number. Okay, so as you can see in the answer, let's see if we can move this to the left. There it is. Okay, so down here looks a little bigger. So this right here is the number I put in a second, and this is the solution. Now, I don't know what the solution actually means, but the last three lines of code that I showed you tell me what they are. So the first number, 110,100, is the decimal 54, and the second number is the decimal equivalent of 20. So 52 times 20 is 1040. That's what this number is, 1040. So let's just take a quick look. This number is equals to 1040 right there. So 1040, that's the correct